Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, our 18th chapter's name is present continuous tense here. So, what is present continuous tense here? So, first of all, we see the definition here. So, the tense that tell us the action is going on at the moment of speaking is called present continuous tense here. It means during the times of speaking, during the times of speaking, the work is going on, the action is going on. That to show that action is going on, we use the present continuous tense. So here present continuous tense, so the action is going on in a presently during the times of speaking. At the moment of speaking, the action is going on here. So we see here that I am going to school here. So the work that going to the school is continue here. The work that is going on here. So we have to added ing forms in a verb here. Like go change into going here. And as well as we need the helping verb here. Then they are playing cricket here. So they are doing playing cricket here. So they are playing cricket here. Now the work playing cricket is going on here. Then the third example, that is he is reading a newspaper here. So the reading work of newspaper is going on. So we are telling here that he is reading a newspaper here. Then the birds are flying in the sky here. So now the birds are now flying in the sky here. So to show the work is going on, we use the present continuous tense here. Then Mona is singing a song here. So now here Mona is singing a song here. So at the moment of speaking, the work is going on. To show the work is going on, we use the present continuous tense here. Now we see the subject, then which helping verb is used here, and then which verbs and what we have to do in a verbs here in a present continuous tense here. So suppose we know that subject, the sentence beginning with the subject here. So subject is I, then we have to use am like a helping verb here. And in all the continuous tenses, we have to do the ing forms of the verb here. So play change into playing here. So with the I, we have to use helping verb am, and we have to do the ing forms of verb play change into playing here. Then we is there, that is a plural subject is there. So we have to use are helping verb and verb ing go change into going here. Then you is there, also we have to use are, then verb ing flying here. Then they is in a subject, so we have to use are, then write change into writing. Ing forms we have to use to show the continuous tense here. Then plural noun is there. If in a subject that is plural noun, so on that times we have to also use are as a helping verb. Then eat change into eating here. Then he is there. He is in a subject, so we have to use is helping verb. Then ing read change into reading here. Then she is in a subject, so we have to use is, then move change into moving here. Then eat change into is here. We have to use is helping verb with the it subject, then speak change into speaking here. Then singular noun is there, only one noun is there. So on that times we have to use is and watch change into watching here. So we can say that with the I, we have to use helping verb am, and verb ing we have to use in a continuous tense here. Then we, you, they, and plural in a subject, then on that times we have to use are helping verb and verb change into ing forms here. Then he, she, it, and one singular noun is there. On that times we have to use helping verb is here. Then we have to do ing form in a verb here. Then for the positive sentence, if the subject, if the sentence is in a positive, so we have to put here for subject sentence beginning with subject, then helping verb. We have to write the helping verb, then after verb ing here, then object, then other word, and last we have to put the full stop here. We see some example is given here that I is a subject. So with the I here, we have to use am, then watch change into watching in a verb ing in a positive sentence, and cartoon is a object, now is a other word, and last we have to put the full stop here. So I am watching cartoon now here. Then we is subject. With the we have to use our helping verb. Then ing in a go change into going here. Ing we have to apply here in a continuous tense, and to the picnic here is a other words and full stop here. Then we can say that with the you in subject, so we have to use are, then verb drive change into driving a car, and last we have to put the full stop here. Then with the they in subject, if it is they, so we have to use are here as a helping verb, play change into playing in a continuous tense, and a chess is a object, and last we have to put the full stop here. Then see, if the subject is he, she, it, and one single noun is there, singular noun, on that time we have to use is as a helping verb, then cook change into cooking in a continuous tense, then pizza is a object, and now is a other words, and we have to put the full stop at the end of the positive sentence. Chris is one single noun. With the Chris we have to use I as a helping verb, write change into writing, verb ing, his homework is an object, and last we have to put the full stop here. So we can say that if the subject is I, then we have to use am, and verb ing here. Then we, you, they, and plural in a subject is there. On that times we have to use helping verb are. Then he, she, it, one single noun is there. On that times we have to use is as a helping verb, and we have to added ing form in all the verbs here. Then after it, the negative sentence is there. On that times what we have to do here? So subject is there, come first, then helping verb. Now we have to edit not for making the negative sentence here. Then verb ing, object, other word, and last full stop we have to put here. We see the example here that I is there. So with the I we have to use am. Then not for making negative sentence. Fly change into flying in a continuous tense here. A kite become object now, so the time here it means in other word, and last we have to put the full stop here. So I am not flying a kite now here. So after helping verb we have to keep not for making negative sentence. With the they subject is there, so we have to use helping verb are, then we have to keep the not, then verb ing, talk change into talking, and now so the present continuous tense here. Now it is just time here, that so here the continuous tense here. Then children is a plural forms of child here. So with the children we have to use are as a helping verb, then not, play change into playing here in the garden, that is other words, and last we have to put the full stop for the making negative sentence. Dev is a one single subject is there. With a single subject we have to use is as a helping verb, then not, then read change into reading. A book is a object now, so the time here, and last we have to keep the full stop here. So Dev is not reading a book now. Then with the he we have to use helping verb is For making negative sentence, we have to use not. Solve change into solving. In a present continuous tense, we have to add ing forms in a verb. Then the sums is a object. Now, so the time here, other word, and last we have to put the full stop here. So in short, we can say that for making negative sentence, after helping verb, we have to keep here not as a negative sentence to make that sentence negative here. Then for making interrogative sentence here. For making interrogative sentence, we have to keep the helping verb is, am, are first here. Is, am, are as a helping verb, we have to keep the first. Then subject, by saying the subject, we have to keep the helping verb here. Then verb ing. In all the continuous tenses, we need verb ing forms here. Then object, then other word, and last we have to write here, we have to keep here interrogative mark to show the interrogative sentence here. Like with the use subject, we have to use are as a helping verb. So are you teach is a verb. So teach change into teaching. Tense now, that is asking the question here. So we have to keep the question mark. Are you teaching tense now? Question mark here. With the C subject, we have to use here is as a helping verb here. So is she drinking? Drink change into drinking. Milk now? Question mark here. Then is Ria. With the Ria is a third person singular noun is there. So for the Ria we have to use is as a helping verb. Then ride change into riding as a verb ing. A bicycle. Question marks we have to write for the interrogative sentence. With the they subject, we have to use are as a helping verb. With the are, we have to use they. Are they check change into checking here. Verb ing for continuous tenses here. Are they checking the newspaper? Question mark here. Then with the it subject, we have to use it here. Is it making? Make change into making. The next for the non-living thing, bird and animals, we use it as a subject here. So is it making the nest? Question mark. So we can say that shortly for making negative sentence we have to use here helping verb is, am, are is help here, and verb we have to do the ing forms here for making continuous tenses. So in a short we can say that if the subject is I, so we have to use helping verb am, then we, you, they, and plural noun in a subject is there. On that times we have to use helping verb are, then he, she, it, and one single noun is there in a subject. So we have to use is as a helping verb, and all the verbs we have to do the ing forms here for show the continuous tense here. So we have to do the ing forms to show the continuous tense here, present continuous tense here, and present continuous tense. So here the present time, the time that is during the times of speaking, the moment the work is going on, to show the work is going on. So during the times of speaking, the work is going on. To show this work is going on, we use the present continuous tense here. Okay, thank you.